Okay, I'm about to open court in a minute. Okay, Mr. Dockett, you're gonna have some, find somewhere to be seated. Mr. Dockett. 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's absolutely no walking around, talking, reading, eating, sleeping, smoking, driving, or coming in and out of the camera. When your name is called, unmute your device and give your full and undivided attention to the judge. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the People versus Raeigen Roberts, ticket number SP 1440863, count 1, driver license suspended, count 2, failure to use seatbelt assembly system effective 1186. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Corporal Rule.
Good morning, Judge. My name is Raeigen Roberts.
Starting with Corporal Rule.
Corporal Rule, badge 3896, Detroit Police, 6th Precinct.
Your Honor, Pauline Struggle, we have Mr. Roberts, I'm sorry. The recommendation is my client would admit the seatbelt violation, the other counts being dismissed. I would stipulate to the face of the ticket for a factual basis, and I would stipulate to probable cause.
All right, the court will dismiss count 1 without prejudice. We'll accept the admission of responsibility as to count 2. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's a $60 fine, Mr. Roberts. Because this is a civil infraction, you have 14 days to pay it. Can you have the $60 paid by June 15th?
Yes.
Any questions, sir?
No.
You're all set.
Do-
Up to you.
I do got a quick question. Do I pay it online or do I come down to 36th District?
You can do either one. You can pay it online. You can come down to 36th District. There's kiosks around the city called DIVS, D-I-V-S and Victor. At the time, you can pay it on the kiosk or you can pay it on the phone.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. This is the People versus Jasper Dale. Ticket number SP 1441048, count 1, driver register or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Officer Shabazz. Officer Shabazz, you around? All right, go ahead, Mr. Roki.
Your Honor, I'm Pauline Siroki on behalf of Mr. Dale. The people made a recommendation that he would plead to the amended count of improper plate. The other counts being dismissed. He's waiving his right.
Unmute your device, Mr. Dale, and state your name.
I just did. My bad. I'm sorry. Good morning, Judge. This is Jasper Dale. I'm sorry.
Fine.
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Shabazz. Sorry to have some technical problem with my phone.
That's okay. All right, Mr. Dale, can you raise your right hand, sir?
Yes,
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I swear.
You can put your hand down. You had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Roki, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with the guilty plea?
Yes.
All right, this is, I'm sorry, was this for count 1 or count 2, Ms. Roki?
I believe well, he actually had a count 1.
Okay. I'm going to direct your attention to March 15, 2023 at 4:42 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Pinkville and Green Lawn in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2010 Jeep vehicle?
Yes.
Was that vehicle unregistered or untitled?
At the time, yes. My grandma, she was on hospital, so it was kind of hard to really do stuff. She was in like a coma-like state. You said what?
You're satisfied,
I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
and the court's also satisfied with the minute. Take it to proper place. You stipulate to proper cause as to count 2.
Your Honor, so stipulated.
Count 2 is dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's a fine of $200, Mr. Dale. Can you have this fine paid by can you have it paid by June 30th?
Yeah,
Did you have any questions, sir?
no,
So you're all set. Good luck to you, sir.
thank you so much. I just leave now, right?
Yes, you can leave, sir. It's not accepting.
Okay.
All right, you got the document. I do, Your Honor.
I've been to that, and I'm all done with question. And this is, Ms. Russell, she's.
Okay. We'll do Ms. Russell. This is the
So
people
we
versus-
need Miss Cole on
For
that, Rivers, that civil infraction. Unless he could just plead to the city's count and dismiss the 2 state counts. I think the officer is here.
Yeah, we have Corporal Hayward. Oh, there he is.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
So the prosecutor, city attorney has offered blockading, and then as to the 2 other matters, what is it?
Something about motor carrier.
Do you have a position, Corporal Hayward, as to the other 2 matters, the violation of acts or rules, motor carrier? Mine is 177. What is that exactly?
Your Honor, count 2 is a violation of Motor Carrier Safety Act, which count 2 was for the reflective strips on the back of his trailer. And then count 3 was same thing, violation of a Motor Carrier Safety Act. They have to have at least 3 triangles, emergency triangles. He only had 2.
Okay. So
Both of those,
Mr.
if he corrected those, I don't know if he corrected them, I don't have a problem with dismissing those 2, if he corrected them.
Well, he's in a breakout room, but
He's right here.
Okay.
Mr. Dockett, have you corrected? Oh, that's Mr. Rivers. Oh, yeah, he is a correct. This is Russian. All right, Mr. Rivers, good morning. Have you corrected was it the
Reflective strips.
reflective strips on your trailer, sir? Mr. Rivers? Can you turn your video on and unmute yourself? I don't know what's going on with that.
Can you hear me?
Not too much-
Can you hear me?
Yes,
You can hear me now?
yes.
Yes, the reflector strips, yes, those have been corrected on the chassis. The chassis was DOT up to date. I did show that to the officer, but when he showed me the reflector strips, it wasn't all the way to the end like he said, but that has been corrected. And the triangles, those triangles, I got new triangles. My truck had broken down and somebody
Okay.
ran up my triangle.
Okay. Do you have that vehicle? Are you near that vehicle now, sir?
No, I'm around the corner from my vehicle. I had to pull over. I didn't know my court date was 8:30 in the morning.
So we'll call your matter. Can you go to that vehicle so Corporal Hayward can see it?
Yes,
Okay.
I'm gonna have to put my phone down. That okay?
Yeah, turn your video off, put your phone down, we'll recall your matter. All right, this is the people versus Denise Russell, ticket number SP 1412577, count 2, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, we have the defendant.
Say your name, Ms. Russell. You're muted now.
Ms. Russell, unmute your device, say your name.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Denise Russell.
Very good. there's a recommendation to dismiss, you stipulate your probable cause.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, dismiss without prejudice. Are we ready on Vincent docket? This is the People versus Vincent. You're all set, Ms. Russell, assistant. This is the People versus Vincent docket, ticket number SP 1427158, count one, drive-on license suspended. Ticket number SP 1427149, count one, violation of basic speed law, drove unsafe manner. Count two, failed to stop for stop sign. Count three, expired plate. Ticket number SP 1427150, count one, valid registration or proof of insurance. Valid registration certificate, and count two, no proof of insurance. And ticket number SP 1164116, count one, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. And ticket number SP 1274387, count one, drive while license suspended. Good morning, please state your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of the defendant.
I'm sorry, Officer Borsch, can you take your name, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Officer Borsch.
Thank you. Mr. Dockett, unmute yourself, sir. Say your name. You gotta unmute yourself. You're muted. We can't hear you. Look on the bottom left-hand corner. There should be a microphone. Tap that, sir.
Mr. Dockett, tap your phone and at the bottom is a mic icon. Tap on that mic icon to mute. Now,
Can you hear me now?
say your name for the record. Say your name.
Vincent Derwin Dockett.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Mr. Dockett.
Client wish to proceed.
I didn't get the offer from the city.
The offer is failed to display and plead to the violation of basic speed law, drove unsafe manner. And then dismiss the balance. So you're dismissing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tickets.
So did you hear that, Mr.?
Yes, I heard her, but I'm not guilty of all these tickets that he gave me.
All right, so did you want to go to trial, sir?
Yes.
All right. We'll recall your matter.
If you could just put him in a breakout room, I could explain the offer. I mean, I haven't had a chance to tell him.
All right. You can rejoin your breakout room, sir. It's put there. All right, this is the People versus Deirdre Reed, ticket number SP 1440513, count one, driving register or entitled vehicle, count two, no insurance misdemeanor, count three, allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Officer Shabazz.
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Abdul Shabazz, badge number 11940, Detroit Police.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Ms. Reed.
Say your name, Ms. Reed.
Deirdre Reed.
Your Honor, regarding Ms. Reed, the people made a recommendation. She would plead to a delayed sentence on the allowing unlicensed driver to drive. The other counts are being dismissed. She's waiving her rights.
All right, raise your right hand, Ms. Reed. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Give up your hand, right?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yep. Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of March 8th, 2023 at 7:48 PM. On that date and time, were you the owner of a 2014 Chrysler vehicle?
Yes.
And did you allow an unlicensed driver to drive that vehicle?
Yes, I did. My 16-year-old daughter was picking up my medicine from CVS on Grand River. Yes.
All right, sounds like you're giving us an excuse, but that's still illegal.
No,
So,
no, not an excuse. Yes, I was wrong, but I'm saying she wouldn't get my medicine for my foot.
Well, she shouldn't have done that. So with that, Ms. Soroka, you're satisfied with Dr. Bailey, did you stipulate the probable cause?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counts 1 and 2 are dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. This is the 3-month delayed sentence, Ms. Reed. So you have 3 months to pay the fine of $200, and then you're gonna come back on September 1st at 8:35 for your next court date. If you've paid the fine of $200 and you don't get any more tickets, so essentially no further police contact, then this will be dismissed off your record. Did you have any questions, ma'am?
No, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay, so you are all set. Good luck to you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
You're welcome. Goodbye. This is the people versus. Wait a minute. I don't have one. One moment. Are you ready, Mr. Rivers?
Unmute your device, Mr. Rivers. Tap your phone and tap the little microphone at the bottom.
I'm gonna go.
Yes, I am ready. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you show us this Corporal Hayward?
That's the chassis. There's the, can you see the chassis numbers? 201 904.
I see it.
Okay, so I'm gonna scroll down so you can see. There's where the new strip has been put on. I'll go the other way so you know it's not, I'm not showing you the wrong side. There's the other end where the strip has been put on. And did you see it?
Yes, I'm satisfied with that.
Okay, and also here's my my paperwork that I did by the triangles like I told you.
Really can't, would you happen to have those in the truck with you?
I can walk right around to my truck and show you.
If you can you grab them real quick? Just pop the box open. I just want to take a look at them.
Okay, just
Marcus.
I got it. Marcus.
Yeah. Anybody else that we added?
Okay, I'm here. These were the old strips that you saw. These are the brand new strips.
Okay, I'm satisfied.
All right. What happened to Mr. Rocky? I think Mr. Rocky left. I guess because they're all civil infractions. All right, so with that, the court will dismiss the state tickets, but there's still the offer of blockading. Did you want to take that, Mr. Rivers? That was for the disregard signal, red or amber. Blockading is a fine of $175. It's not abstractable, so it won't go to the Secretary of State. It's just like you're just blocking traffic.
Yes, I will accept that.
All right, so the court will accept the plea of responsible to the disregard signal, to the disregard signal red or amber and amend that to blockading. We'll dismiss the remaining tickets without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. As I indicated, there is a fine of $175. Because this is a civil infraction, you have 14 days to pay the fine. So can you have the 175 paid by June 15th?
Yes, I can. May I ask, Your Honor, there's a 36th District Court kiosk near me. Can I pay it through there?
Absolutely, sir. Yes, you can.
All I need is the ticket number.
Yes, do you want it?
Oh,
I mean,
yeah.
you can look up your name as well, but I can give you the ticket number.
Is it the original ticket number? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'm right. I can write it down.
Okay, let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay, it's ticket number SP 145505661.
Okay, I have it. Thank you, Your Honor.
So you're all set, sir. Thank you, Corporal Hayward. You're all set, Mr. Daniel. Or Rivers.
Thank you. Thank you.
Take care, Your Honor.
Can
Thank you,
someone
sir.
prompt
Officer
out, I'm
Hayward.
sorry, Mr. Dockett, can someone prompt him out? He can't get out.
Hold on.
Are we ready on docket?
We are. You could probably just close the breakout rooms.
And did you talk to Mr. Volaj Dita?
Yes, he's getting an adjourned date.
Okay. All right, we're recalling the People versus Vincent docket, ticket number SP 1427158, count one, driver license suspended. Ticket number SP 1427149, count one, violation of basic speed law, drove unsafe manner. Count two, failed to stop sign, count three, expired plates. Ticket number SP 1427150, count one, no valid registration certificate, no proof of insurance. Ticket number SP 1164116, count one, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. And ticket number SP 1274387, count one, drove unlicensed suspended. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, on behalf of the defendant.
And good morning, Your Honor.
Thank you. You can say your name.
Hello?
Say your name, sir.
I still won't be in there.
Hello?
Say your name, Mr. Dockett.
Vincent Derwin Dockett. All
Your
right.
Honor, the people have made a recommendation that they would amend the suspended license to fail to display a valid license, that he would plead responsible to the civil infraction for unsafe manner. My client's asking the court to allow him to accept that recommendation.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Dockett.
Mr.
You
Dockett.
swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Put your hand down. You had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of January 26, 2023 at 1:09 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Wildermere and Oakman Boulevard in the city of Detroit?
Yes, I was. No.
Were you driving a 2003 Cadillac vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And were you driving while your license was suspended?
Yes, I did.
You're satisfied, Ms. Soroki?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
It's also satisfied factual basis will amend that count to fail to display. Do you stipulate to the face of the ticket number ending in 149 and then to proper causes to the remaining tickets?
Your Honor, so stipulated.
So the court will accept the plea of responsible as to count one for ticket number ending in 149 and will dismiss the remaining tickets without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There is going to be a $200 fine for the fail to display ticket. And then for the violation of basic speed law, drove unsafe manner, that fine is $170. So you have a total of $370. Now, usually with civil infractions, usually with civil infractions, they are to be paid in 15 days, but because you have a misdemeanor attached, I always think it's just easier to keep everything together. So can you have the total $370 paid by June 30th?
Yeah, yes, I'm gonna try to.
Well, you can ask for more time. You can ask for more time, sir.
Yeah, well, I need a little more time because I'm on a fixed income and.
I'll give you to July 28th, sir.
Thank you. I'll have it paid.
Okay, if you need to get on a payment plan, you can get on the payment plan. You just need to have at least 25% down of the total amount by July 28th, and you need to come down to the courthouse.
Yes, ma'am.
That's if you need more time, and then they'll give you additional time to pay the balance. So you're all set.
Thank you. Thank you.
This is the People versus Love Rushton, ticket number SP 11255. Oh, thank you, Officer Boris. You're all set, Mr. Dockett.
Thank you.
Let me call this. I'm sorry. This is People versus Boulage Dita, ticket number B501958. Count 1, operator food establishment without a license. Good morning. Please say your name, record.
Good morning.
Colleen Soroki on behalf of Mr. Dida.
Say your name, Mr. Dida.
My name is Tom, T-O-M. I'm Dita's son. My father passed in 2020.
Is your father Boulage?
Yes.
But
He
it
passed.
says the date of birth. But it says the date of birth is January 1768.
That's my birthday.
So then this is you.
Yes.
In any case, Your Honor, he is in the process of getting the license. He's got everything except the actual license at this point. So he needs an adjournment. And I believe the city said they were in agreement with that.
All right, so we can set it for a pretrial. Is June 15th enough time?
No. The city of Detroit, Your Honor, I would say like 60 days. I mean,
Please.
it's not going to happen that quick.
We'll do August 1st at 8:35. Okay, you got your next court date, August 1st at 8:35.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, this is People versus Love Rushton, ticket number SP 1125595, count 1 improper plate. All right, ticket number SP 1146883, count 1, driving register untitled vehicle, count 2 is driver license suspended, count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1167191, count 1 is proper place, and count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Love Rushton.
Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Rushton. The people made an offer. I haven't had a chance to relay it, so the court would.
The offer is failed to display an improper plates and dismiss 4 tickets.
Do you hear that, Ms. Rushton?
Yes,
You want to accept that?
I accept.
All right,
We're
raise your
ready,
right hand.
Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, ma'am. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
So put your hand down. You had an opportunity to speak to the attorney about your case and your right.
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you are waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, do you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of December 18, 2020 at 10:20 a.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Gratiot and Mount Elliott in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2005 Lincoln vehicle?
Yes.
Were you driving while your license was suspended?
Yes.
And did you have improper plates on that vehicle?
Yes, I did have proper plates, but it was the paper, not the plate.
You're satisfied, Ms. Soroki, with the facts and basis? You stipulate
Satisfied, Your Honor.
the probable cause?
No stipulated.
Court will amend the driving while license suspended ticket to a failed to display. We'll dismiss the remaining tickets without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's going to be a fine for the failed to display of $250. I will waive the fine for the improper plates. Can you have the $250 paid by June 30th?
And I have to win? I didn't hear you, Your Honor.
June, can you have the $250 paid by June 30th?
Yes.
Any
And
questions?
question, at that moment when I pay the $250, that means my license would no longer be suspended?
That's up to the Secretary of State, so I don't know if there's any reinstatement fees that you have to pay, so you need to contact them.
Okay. Okay. So just $250 at the moment?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much. So I pay there at 36th District?
You can pay it at 36th District, you can pay it online, you can pay it over the phone, or there's kiosks around the city called DIV, DIV is Victor, DATS in Tom. You can pay it on the kiosk.
Okay, and can I have that ticket number that I have to pay?
The ticket number is SP 11468832.
SP 11468832?
Yes, ma'am. And then the phone number, if you want to pay it over the phone, that number is 1-855-798-1547.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're all set. Did this Marcus Roberts ever check in? I didn't have him marked down, and I don't even have an offer.
Marcus.
So I'm all set?
Marcus.
You're all set, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, Marcus, when it happened, he checked in late. And no, I don't think he talked to anybody yet.
No, I haven't.
He'll be failed to display. His offer will be failed to display. He's here for a review on an operating while visibly impaired. Then he has 2 no ops and 1 no insurance. So the offer will be failed to display and then dismiss a no insurance and fail.
Mr. Marcus, do you want to accept that?
Yes.
Points. It just means you left your license at home. They'll dismiss the other 2 tickets.
Okay.
We're ready, Your Honor.
All right, this is the people versus Marcus Roberts, ticket number SP 1026361. Count 1 failed to display valid operator's license on a person. Count 2 no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number 173064440. Count 1 no operator's license on a person, and then ticket number Z786003. We're here for a review on operating while visibly impaired. Good morning. Please say your name to the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, we have Marcus Roberts.
Mr. Roberts, say your name.
My name is Marcus Roberts.
Your Honor, the people have made a recommendation to my client. He would plead to 1 count of failed to display a valid license. The other counts are being dismissed. We'd ask the court to adopt that.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Robert. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Okay, you can put your hand down. You had an opportunity to speak to the attorney about your case and your rights?
No, I haven't. I was in the wrong court.
You just spoke to the attorney 2 seconds ago, sir.
Oh,
Talking
yes,
about
I
that.
have been.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of October 1st, 2019 at 11:12 p.m. on the date time we were at near Buffalo and 7 Mile in the city of Detroit.
Say Buffalo or 6 Mile?
Buffalo Avenue and 7 Mile in the city of Detroit. Were you there?
Oh, yes. Yes.
Were you driving a 1997 Ford vehicle?
Yes, I was.
Did you fail to display a valid operator's license that was not on your person?
Yes.
All right, you're satisfied, Ms. Roki?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
Court is also satisfied, factual basis will accept the admission. We'll proceed to sentencing. The court is going to waive the fine because you owe a total of $1,064 only on this operating while visibly impaired ticket. You also owe some other amounts on some other tickets. So you owe a substantial amount of money. We need to have, is he still on probation? I know you were sentenced to probation in 2008.
2008. It's probably closed out, ain't it?
Yeah, so the probation obviously is closed out without improvement, but he still owes the money for it.
Would the court waive the late fees? I'm sure that they're a substantial part of that, most likely usury at this point.
I know, well, I mean, I just waived this fine, so, no, it said it C 78602. Put it whenever.
$179 late fee. $50 warrant fee.
Yeah, so it was just $179 late fee. I already waived the fee on this ticket, so.
Thank
it's
you.
not difference, but the fee on the ticket he made admissions to, so it's not gonna make much of a difference. I guess I could go waive it. So what would that be? Okay, so now he owes, on this ticket, he owes $835.
So, Mr. Roberts,
Yes.
the
Yes,
judge
I
has
hear you.
helped you out significantly. She waived your fine on the ticket you had today, and she waived your late fees. You need to pay your fines and costs on that drinking and driving offense you have. You owe over $800 on that. Okay?
Okay.
So I guess I gotta
All
give
right.
another day to pay it. So how much
Okay,
time do
can
you
I,
need to pay the $835?
June 30th.
You can have that paid by June 30th?
Yes.
Okay. We'll come back on June 30th or that running up. Well, I'll give you to that Monday. We'll come back on
Hello?
we'll come back on July 10th.
All right, July 10th.
At 8:35. If you pay that 8:35, we can close that out.
Okay.
But you still owe money on some other stuff, but this is, I can't.
I know about those.
All right, so you're all set, sir. I'll see you on July 10th.
All right, thank you. You have a good day.
All right, you too. Thank you.
All right, so that is less than 12. Anybody else on? I think that's it, right?
No, that's it. Mr. Robert, you can leave.
I'm trying to. I
I'll,
mean, not trying to be funny.
I'll remove you.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay.
All right, that's it. We made it.
Okay, everybody, have a good day.
Okay, you all have a good day. I'll see y'all tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Thank you. All right, I'll see you guys later.
All right, see ya.
What's happening Tuesday, August 1st?
Huh?
What's happening August 1st?
What's happening?
What's happening on that day?
I don't know. Something happening, I think?
We got it highlighted in red.
I'm not gonna be on the 6th. I mean the 7th.
Yes, I'm trying to figure out why I highlighted the 1st of August. Something must have been going on, right? So I wouldn't put that. That's okay, I know, that's no afternoon day. I'm gonna start doing the same thing. Fridays, Tuesdays. That the thumb drive, USB drive.
Oh. They clean out that,
Yeah.
oh, they did? Oh, okay. What little kid? Yeah, a lot of officers today.
Yeah. They wanna show up.
How many people you show up in the afternoon?
On the average, about, depends on how heavy the afternoon docket is, as far as how much they put on there. So on average, we've been having about at least 12, 13.
Is that many people?
Well, yeah, well, I should say, they have 2 or 3 counts, so maybe 10. Maybe 10.
I'll start. You know what, after my kid, I'll start doing it there, so. But I will only do dismissals. I'm not doing no pleas. And I only do dismissals. But I had to, I've got to go around now.
Like, on May 30th, I'm still doing stuff on May 30th. Ain't that much though. May 30th, it was only like 8 people. In the afternoon. And, what was that? 31st. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So on the 31st, we had 9 people for the afternoon arraignment.